to another video. As you saw in the title of this video, we're gonna unbox my third Miss to Mrs. box, meaning my last box. But that also means that wedding day is almost here, fingers crossed. So I was looking around what was this box theme, and the theme is honeymoon. So perfect. I don't know where I'm going for my honeymoon yet because borders are not open. We're still in the middle of a pandemic. We wanted to go to Mexico, like to Tulum, but I don't know. I think we're just gonna stay in Massachusetts or in Rhode Island. So yeah, if you want to see what I got on my last Mr. and Mrs. box, grab a drink. I am having some Prosecco. Let's get to unboxing. So this is the box, as always. Hot pink Mr. and Mrs. bridal box. I'm gonna open it. Something is, this box is loaded with things. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna overview it. There you go. I'm gonna put it next to me, and I'm gonna start putting things. So first thing I see, and it's like eager to get out of the box, is this? Oh, it's a straw hat. Let me see it, but it has like something on top. Yes, girl, give me headbands, give me headbands. One says happily ever after. Oh my god, this is so cute. And you want to know something really cool too? So our wedding hashtag, his last name is Abear, and our wedding hashtag is gonna be happily Abear after. So this is just, oh my god, this is perfect. Wait, I'm missing something. Huh, what you was saying? Yes, baby, yes. Let's keep going. Next thing is this door, how you call that? The thing you put on the door. I saw it, like, whatever. It says just married, don't even think about knocking. And on the other side it says honeymoon in process, do not disturb. That's so cute. I'm taking this. I don't know where we're going, but I'm taking this. That's adorable. Next thing I'm pulling out is this passport cover and luggage tag set. Oh, that's so cute. The passport holder says, and so the adventure begins. My question is now, does it fit 2 passports or just 1? Is it just for my passport, or I guess I can fit his too in there. Like, I don't know, it's on there. I already have this, but it's cool. It's always cool to have. And the luggage tag. This chair keeps, I'm sorry, my chair is just, okay. So next thing I am pulling out is this pink flamingo inflatable pool party drink holder. So I'm not gonna take it out because if I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna bring it like this. This is easier to pack than just having it out there. But it's nice, you put your drink in there wherever you go. Water, juice, whatever you're drinking. Good. Next thing I am pulling out is the waterproof, water resistant phone case. That's always good to have. So next thing I am pulling out is this Just Married knee-high tube socks. I'm gonna open them, see how they look. If you know me, I'm always cold, especially in the morning. I always have to have like socks or like a robe or something. Oh, that's cute. So it's Just Married. It's Just Married. Oh, that's cool. I'm taking that, especially for those cold mornings. Next thing I'm pulling out is this. It comes like this. I think it's a tote bag. Let me open it. Oh, it's like a beach tote. Oh, it's a backpack. Or like this. It says Wanderlust. That's cool. And I like that it's like a backpack so he can help me carry it too. That's cool. So that was the last thing that the box had. But as always, they give you a little pamphlet of like what your box contains They also send like a honeymoon packing checklist. That's really nice. And this, I'm so grateful that they sent me this. This is a name change checklist. Cause I am changing my last name. That sounds super like, I don't know. I'm not used to saying that, but I'm gonna change my last name. But I'm gonna hyphenate it. So I'm gonna be Jenny Aber Taveras, because my daughter has Aber Taveras like that too. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna change everything. This channel is gonna get a name change, a rebranding, and my social media and everything like that, my blog and everything. Speaking of my blog, I am back blogging, so if you want to check out my latest blog post, I'm gonna leave it down below. I'm also gonna leave my small shop down below so you can check whatever it's in there and, you know, make some orders. I guess this is it for this video. If you would like to see more content like this from me, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'm gonna leave it here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.